In a bustling university lab, a student named Alex was on the brink of a breakthrough. "I've done it!" Alex shouted, holding up a peculiar contraption. "This device can save lives." The professor, intrigued, asked, "How does it work?" Alex grinned. "It detects when someone is about to sneeze and automatically hands them a tissue." The room fell silent. "But Alex," the professor said, "how is that life-saving?" Alex replied, "Have you ever sneezed while driving?" The room erupted in laughter, realizing the genius behind the simple invention.